Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some lemon, garlic and thyme chicken thighs. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Now let's start off by cleaning our chicken thighs. Now normally I'm going to leave the skin on the thighs, but I want to burn off all these, little extra hairs or feathers or whatever you call them off them. So I'm just literally just burning them off on my cooker. Now I'm going to do this for all my thighs. Then I'm going to get it washed, ready to be seasoned. Now this is the seasoning I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of my Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm going to use a tablespoon of my lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm also going to use a tablespoon of my garlic granules. Now before I season my chicken, I'm just going to make sure that I get rid of most of the excess moisture that's in the bowl from when I washed the chicken, and I'm just going to use a kitchen towel just to sop up the little water that got settled. Now all I'm gonna do now is just put my seasoning on my chicken, give it a good mix, and just put it to the side. Now I didn't marinate this for too long, but I would recommend you marinating your chicken for at least 4 hours. But if you don't have the time, it's not a necessity. But if you want more flavor, you make it marinate for longer. Now I'm gonna crush about 3 or 4 garlic cloves, and then I'm gonna melt this in some butter. Now if you have softened butter, now I'm using salted butter. If you have softened butter, then you don't need to melt it. If not, what I did, I just literally put it in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds just to make it melt a bit. Now let's start frying my chicken. Now in a pan, make sure you're going to use an oven proof pan for this dish. I'm gonna go ahead now and saute my chicken. Now I'm gonna saute them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I did go in with my chicken side up because sometimes when you put the chicken down, the skin tends to kind of start to shrivel up, and I wanted the skin to kind of stay intact, so this is why I'm putting the skin side up first. Now as I said, I'm gonna fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes each side. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, when I don't know, big up on yourself. Now after you've seared your chicken on both sides, I'm gonna go in now with my butter and garlic mix. I'm literally just gonna put it over the chicken. Now because I crushed the garlic in the butter, some of the garlic, as you can see, is left on top of the chicken. What I did with my spoon is literally just scrape it off, because I don't want, when I put my chicken in the oven, that the garlic start to burn on top of the chicken, because then that's just going to make the chicken all bitter. I should have said before, before you start frying your chicken, make sure you preheat your oven. I'm using gas mark number 6. Now once I've gone in with my butter mixture, I did go in, slice up a whole lemon, put it in there with a bunch of thyme, and I'm also going with a cup of water. Now once I've done this, literally gonna put this in the oven. Now in total you want to bake these for about 45 minutes depending on the size of your thighs. Now halfway through, I did start taking it out and basting it, because the more you baste the chicken, the more juicy the chicken I got, because around here when I send a dry chicken, I want a dry chicken for eat. So please make sure you baste your chicken. There's no such thing as too much basting, so yeah, keep basting. Now for the first 20 minutes I left it alone. After the 20 minutes I did take it out maybe about 2 to 3 times. I'd say 3 times, and kept basting it. Now about 5 minutes before the chicken's finished, what I did was just go in my knife, and as you can see, that knife is just going right through, so this chicken is just nice, juicy and ready. I'm just going to get some more of this sauce. I'm just going to try and pump it in. I just made some holes in the chicken with the knife. I'm just going to use my baster and just get some of that juice just in that chicken. Put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes or so, you know, give or take a few minutes. And there you have it, guys, my garlic, lemon and thyme chicken. My whatever I said before, lemon, garlic and thyme, you know what I mean. Now for me, the only way to serve this up is on a bit of white rice, because the flavors that come from the lemon, the garlic, the thyme infused together with the chicken, it's just nice. You know the thing, but when I say it nice, it nice. I'm just gonna serve this up with some jasmine rice and some tender stem broccoli. Now, you know, you can put a little that lemon on top, you know, for that those who like the extra lemony thing, and just get that sauce once again and just drizzle it all over. And there you have it, guys, a nice plate of food ready in little or no time. My lemon, garlic and thyme chicken thighs ready from my kitchen to your eyes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.